The COVID-19 vaccines have been developed in record time and are safe and effective. But recently, a COVID scammer sold me these empty vaccine vials. And if you were going to make counterfeit vaccines, this is probably the hardest piece of the puzzle. It wasn't hard to get them. I ordered them from this eBay listing, and they showed up a few days later. PSM has been tracking vaccine scams, and it turns out it's easy to get empty COVID vaccine vials, even easier than getting a vaccine appointment itself. Since the vaccines look like water, getting your hands on a vial to use or copy is probably the hardest part of a COVID scammer's job, and now that's as easy as online shopping. While we haven't seen any counterfeit versions of real vaccine in the US yet, thank goodness, law enforcement has found it elsewhere in the world and for sale on the dark web. Mexican law enforcement seized these 1,000 fake COVID-19 vaccines on their way to Honduras on a private plane. And while supply is scarce and production ramps up, criminals will be having a field day. One of the challenges here is that these empty vaccine vials are not considered medical waste and therefore have no requirements for secure destruction. Patrick Lavella of the Pennsylvania Pharmacists Association said the Healthcare Distribution Alliance has asked them to break the bottles or smash them so they cannot be taken by someone else, sold or resold somewhere, or refilled with something that we know is not going to be vaccine. We were not surprised to see pharmacists and wholesalers leading the safety parade. In the US, your licensed pharmacist, hospital, or Department of Health will ensure that you get a real vaccine. But to make us all safer, go get vaccinated as soon as you can, and then share this graphic on social media with your friends so there's no market for fake vaccines. You can also visit our website at safemedicines.org for more vaccine safety tips.